In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install PayPal on desktop PC. While PayPal doesn't offer a traditional dedicated desktop application that you download and install for Windows or Mac OS, you can still create a highly convenient and app-like experience. This involves transforming the PayPal website into what's known as a progressive web app, or PWA. This method provides quick, direct access to PayPal from your desktop, functioning much like a standalone application without typical browser interface clutter. It's an efficient way to streamline your financial activities and keep PayPal just a click away. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your desktop PC, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Navigate to the official PayPal website. After the page loads, you'll need to locate the More Options or Settings menu within your browser. This is typically represented by three small dots, arranged either vertically or horizontally, found in the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal a menu. Upon clicking these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various browser settings and tools. Within this menu, your objective is to find a section related to sharing, saving, or casting the current web page. In Google Chrome, you'll often find a section labeled Cast, Save, and Share, or More Tools. For Microsoft Edge, look for similar options within an Apps or More Tools submenu. Wording can vary by browser version, so carefully scan for phrases that indicate interaction with the web page. Now within that section, look for the option to install the current web page as a dedicated application. This option is commonly phrased as Install Page as App, Install PayPal, or simply Install, followed by the website's name. In Chrome, for example, under More Tools, you'll typically see Install App, followed by PayPal. Once you find Install Page as App or its equivalent, click on it. A small pop-up will then appear, asking you to confirm your intention to install PayPal. Simply click Install on this prompt to finalize the process. What happens next is a seamless enhancement to your desktop experience. Your browser will package the PayPal website into a convenient, standalone shortcut. This action creates a distinct PayPal icon that will appear on your desktop and also be added to your Start menu. You may also be offered the option to pin this new PayPal app directly to your taskbar for quick access. From now on, whenever you click this new PayPal icon, it will launch in its own dedicated window, free from browser tabs, address bar, or toolbars. This provides a clean, focused environment, truly feeling and functioning like a standalone application.